Allahu, 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 Allah. Allahu, Allahu, La ilaha illallah.
Assalamu alaikum friends, welcome to our channel. Let's get into the video today and learn 10 new information. What is the greatest verse of the Holy Quran? Your options are option A, Ayatul Kursi, or option B, Yasin. The right answer is option A, Ayatul Kursi. What is the name of the cave where revelations of the Quran started? Your options are option A, Cave of Hira, or option B, Cave of South. The right answer is option A, Cave of Hira. What is the meaning of An-Nur? Your options are option A, the pride, or option B, the light. The right answer is option B, the light. What is the most crucial quality in the success of the spread of Islam? Your options are option A, the wealth, or option B, good character. The right answer is option B, good character. Who was the only person who accompanied the Nabi sallallahu alaihi wasallam during the migration? Your options are option A, Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu, or option B, Umar radiyallahu anhu. The right answer is option A, Abu Bakr radiyallahu anhu. What is the Arabic term for the collection of recorded words, actions, and approvals of Prophet sallallahu alaihi wasallam? Your options are option A, Hadith, or option B, Tafsir. The right answer is option A, Hadith. What is the meaning of Al-Muhsi, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, the counter, or option B, the giver. The right answer is option A, the counter. Why is Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam known as Adam al-Thani, the second Adam? Your options are option A, he was Adam's son, or option B, after the flood, only very few were alive and world started again from there. The right answer is option B, after the floods, only very few were alive and world started again. How many divine books were revealed upon Hazrat Nuh alayhi salam? Your options are option A, 100, or option B, 10. B. 10? What is the meaning of Al-Habib, one of the name of Allah? Your options are option A, the praiseworthy, or option B, the provider. The right answer is option A, the praiseworthy. Every new information you learn about Islam and share with others, inshallah, you will be rewarded sadaqah jariyah for it. So to learn more information about Islam consistently, subscribe to our channel and check our new videos. If you are new to this video, please check our old episodes and subscribe to our channel. Alhamdulillah.